So guys, today the market made a very clean cut, beautiful move, right? And the reason I'm calling it beautiful is because the market started at the highs of the day and literally closed at the lows of the day. Very clean move. And this is a dream of any intraday trader because you want to have a big move that happens in front of you, not a big gap up or a gap down. And there was not much of volatility. It was not like market was going up and down crazy like that. It was very, very, very simple, straightforward down day. And this day could have been a big day for me, but I made a mistake, right? So that is basically what I want to talk about in this video. So this is the recording. I'm sure you guys like to see how the PNL was fluctuating throughout the day. So the mistake that I made today was that I have a system which I trust. I have a system which I like. I have a system which I can depend on. It's a very solid system. And if I would have only followed my system without having any other intervention, the mistake would have been easily much bigger. But I made one mistake today, and the mistake was that I kept adding my own personal view in the system, right? So if you are following a system, just follow the system. If you are doing trading purely based on your discretion, purely based on your decision, that's also fine, but stick with that. Don't mix two things. And that is essentially what I did. So what what was going on in my head was that this market would find support at somewhere close to 15,500. Now there was no proof. So what I kept doing throughout the day was I kept selling put options. And of course the call options were making money, but the put options, there was no reason for me to sell put options, but I still did. And those put options just gave me trouble, as you guys can see. So that was a big learning for me, and I'm sure I will be better next time. Sometimes we have a certain view, and in spite of what the market keeps telling us, it's very hard for us to shake that view off of our head. And that is essentially what happened to me, that I was not able to shake off the feeling that the market might get a bounce back, right? Whenever you say might, you are getting into the territory of speculation, and trading is not speculation, right? So we all should know this, that trading is not speculation. Trading is basically reacting to the market, not telling what the market what to do. So that is I think a big learning for me, and not just for expiry day, but in general, that how can we make our decision making process more objective, more automated, so that the decisions that are being made are free of any bias. And that is the only way we can scale up, right? So if you have a system which is back tested, it works perfectly fine, then you can scale up the system. But if you are purely working out of your own discretion, it's hard to scale up, because you are not going to be the same every day. Some days you will be neutral, some days you will be biased. So that biasness sometimes can create problems, as it did for me today. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. So on and all, it was a profitable day, so I don't have any regrets. But I will keep working on my system to have some more checks and balances, so that my discretion doesn't screw up what this system is designed to do, which I'm sure it can do much better than I can. Okay, so and I also hope that you guys had a good day. The big picture, of course, is that the market has broken key support. So now we are in a downtrend, right? So the bearishness is going to continue. So my bias is going to be on the downside for the days and weeks to come, right? So that's like a big picture of where we are today.